a young lady in scouting, and today we are going to make a paper mache hot air balloon like this with a little basket. This is what you're going to need to use: a bin bag liner to stop getting the place dirty, some gloves if you get your hands dirty. It is washable glue, so you will be able to wash out. Newspaper, PVA glue, a bowl to mix the water and the PVA glue, acrylic paint, paint it, ball of string, a balloon and a bottle. So for the newspaper, you're going to undo it without wetting it, and then you're going to cut it downwards, so like this, to create pieces such as this. After you've got loads of pieces like this, you're going to cut them into smaller ones like this, so squares, by cutting them down here. You are going to use PVA glue. So I got this from Asda, so you can get it in any supermarkets, and all you need is water and this. Put the same amount of water inside it, so I have put about that much, so it should be separate. Now we've got to mix it with something. If you mix it really well, you've got to make sure there's no lumpy bits of bit hard glue. So it should look like liquidy, so you can move it around really well. And that is how you make paper mache with glue and water. So now you're going to leave it for half an hour to dry, just like that. Once you've left it for half an hour, it should be kind of dry, and then you're going to place another layer. We're going to do 5 to 6 layers. Okay team, so it should be looking quite good, no holes, okay? We've got to cover all the holes, and we've got to keep going. A few more layers to go, and then we'll be sorted. Now team, as we've just done the final layer, we're going to put it outside to dry if it's sunny outside. If it's not, don't worry, you can just hang it up and leave it for later. Leave it about an hour to 2 hours, and it should be okay to paint on. Now we're going to make a little basket for the balloon, hot air balloon. So you need to get a bottle and then cut it into 3 parts. Discard these parts to get rid of them, and then this part, which has got 2 holes, so it's like a little bracelet, we need. Now we're going to put it over a piece of cardboard, and we're going to draw a circle around it. We're going to cut that out and attach it to the bottom, so it's a little basket. So after you have made your cardboard cutout, you are going to place it into the cutout water bottle. You're going to sellotape, and then you're going to stick it so it won't move. Then you're going to make a hole at the top, which will be there. We are going to get our string and place it through that hole that we made. We're going to tie a little knot at the top. Granny knot will do, and so it will stop it coming out. Now it doesn't matter how bad your taping is, mine is awful, because we are going to cover it with string, like so. So you have finished wrapping it round, you are going to tuck it into the one just above, and then you have a little bit left, and stick that with a bit of tape. So in the end, your basket should look like this. It doesn't really matter what shape, it's best to have a circle, but so next you're going to make 3 holes in the top, there, there and there, so they are all equal, so the basket will balance straight. After your balloon is dry, you are going to cut the top, so you'll be able to put your hand in, and then you can push it all back out, just like that. Next we want to just make sure this hole looks pretty nice, so we're going to cut slightly up, like so, and then make a circle going round. Yeah, so it should look like that. So next we are going to put a hole just through the top so it can float. Just a small one, so just like that, you can see. Next you're going to put a string through the top of the hole, which you just made. Yep. And you're going to grab it with the other hand inside it. Then you're going to tie it a couple of times, just with the granny knots, just so it stops it from coming out of the other end. And then it should do it really gently, hold it like so, like that. We're going to put 3 holes just like we did with the basket in the balloon. Then we're going to get a new piece of string, 3 equal pieces of string. So the best way to do this is just cut one piece off, and then put this piece and this piece together, like that, and then go make sure it's straight. And then at the end, you should cut just there, and it will be equal. Now we're going to attach them to our basket where we put the holes. So just like we did with the basket string, we're going to do it the same again. So when you've done the first one, you can just see it's tied, knotted here, and so it's a dangle. Now do it with the other 2 holes. Alright guys, after you have attached it to both the balloon and the basket, you can now paint it. Now make sure it's acrylic paint, because it won't go over the text otherwise, and make sure not to get it everywhere. I'll show you guys after I've done mine. Hi guys, I hope you all enjoyed painting it. I definitely did. This is mine. Come back for next time and you can make something new.